In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Facebook video on WhatsApp in 2026, step by step. This is a simple process, and once you know where the share options are, it only takes a minute. We'll be copying the link to a Facebook video and then sending that link through WhatsApp, either on WhatsApp web or in the WhatsApp desktop app. To begin, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once Facebook loads, find the video you want to share. You can do this from your feed, a page, a profile, or anywhere else on the platform where the video appears. Take a moment to make sure it's the exact video you want, especially if there are multiple similar posts. When you found the video, click the Share option. This will open the sharing menu for that post. From there, choose Copy Link. This step is important because instead of downloading the video or reposting it somewhere else, you're simply copying the direct Facebook link so you can send it quickly through WhatsApp. After the link has been copied, open WhatsApp web or the WhatsApp desktop app, depending on what you use. If you're using WhatsApp web, make sure you're already signed in and your chats are visible. If you're using the desktop app, the process is exactly the same from here. Next, open the conversation where you want to share the video. This could be an individual chat or a group chat. Just make sure you've selected the correct conversation before sending anything, especially if you have several chats open. Now click into the message box, paste the Facebook video link, and press enter to send it. Once you do that, the link will appear in the chat, and the other person can open it to view the video on Facebook. In many cases, WhatsApp may also generate a preview of the link, which can make it easier for the recipient to recognize what you shared. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Facebook video on WhatsApp. If the preview doesn't show up right away, give it a second, since link previews can sometimes take a moment to load. Also, keep in mind that if the Facebook video has privacy restrictions, the recipient may need the proper access on Facebook to view it. That's the full process for sharing a Facebook video on WhatsApp in 2026.